What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to link Tradovate to TradingView. So you'll need to get onto your TradingView account, select a chart, and then at the bottom area you can see an arrow that points up, and when you hover your mouse over it, it says open panel. So you need to open the panel, and if it's not looking as big as this, you just need to go to the border and then extend the size of the window. So now you can see connect through our trusted brokers. There are lots of them, so you'll need to carefully look for Tradovate. We're scrolling and we might find it in a bit, and there you have it, Tradovate. Click on it, and here you can see live or demo. So you need to select which Tradovate account you want to connect to your TradingView. So if we're connecting live, you need to put in your Tradovate username, the password, and if you want this to be a single time connection, you can click on the checkbox don't remember me, so next time you'll need to pass through the process again. This is usually handy in case you're not using your personal network or your PC. So after putting your Tradovate username and password, you can click on connect, and this would authorize Tradovate to connect with your TradingView. So these are the easy steps to follow if you'd like to link Tradovate to TradingView.